Where is India's first deer park and mini zoo being built? Correct answer is option A. Sector 91, Noida. Which river system forms the vast plains of India? Correct answer is option B. Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus River. The 97th Constitutional Amendment of India is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option D. Promotion of cooperative societies. Who won the Champion of the Earth Award in 2024 for lifetime achievement? Correct answer is option B. Madhav Gadgil. Who is the current Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Correct answer is option C. Rajvinder Singh Bhattik. Where was the CISF Central Industrial Security Force 56th Foundation Day celebrated? Correct answer is option B. Thakolam, Tamil Nadu. Paikar dance is mainly associated with which state? Correct answer is option B. Odisha state. By what other name is the northern plains of India known? Correct answer is option B. Indo-Gangetic Plain. Who won the 2025 Asian Snooker Championship? Correct answer is option B. Pankaj Advani. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the development and spread of the Hindi language? Correct answer is option B. Article 351. According to which article of the Indian Constitution does the Governor appoint other ministers on the advice of the Chief Minister? Correct answer is option C. Article 164. In which district of Uttar Pradesh is the village known as Chora Chori located? Correct answer is option B. Gorakhpur. Which elements in the periodic table are called the representative elements? Correct answer is option D. S block and P block elements except noble gases. Which institution was established by Muhammad bin Tughlaq for the development of agriculture? Correct answer is option C. Diwan-e-Kohi. Which widow did Chandragupta Maurya marry, who was also his sister-in-law? Correct answer is option B. Tyodhara, widow of his elder brother. How many languages are recognized in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution as of 2025? Correct answer is option C. 22 languages. Which Indian won the 2024 Batch Open Squash Championship? Correct answer is option C. Velavan Senthil Kumar. Which of the following is an example of osmosis? Correct answer is option B. Absorption of water by root hairs from soil. Legal gestic is an example of which type of right? Correct answer is option C. Legal right. Who is the newly appointed chairman of ISRO as of January 2025? Correct answer is option C. V. Narayanan. Which of the following states does not have a part of the third desert? Correct answer is option D. Maharashtra. The Indus River originates from which of the following places? Correct answer is option C, Mansur over lake. What is the full form of OCI? Correct answer is option A, Overseas Citizens of India. Who is the current Chief Minister of Delhi and from which constituency did she win the 2025 Assembly election? Correct answer is option B, Rekha Gupta, Shalimar Bagh. What was the name of the wife of Chandragupta II? Correct answer is option B, Kubranga. Which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit in 2024, marking the first visit by an Indian PM to that country in 43 years? Correct answer is option C, Kuwait. When was the Swedish movement launched? Correct answer is option C, 1905. Who presided over the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress in 1929? Correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was elected President of the International Olympic Committee in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kirsty Coventry. In which year did the indigenous movement start in India? Correct answer is option B, 1905.